people, we are here again. This SAT percentage question is looking woobody. And you see, a store used to sell an MP3 for $72. So which is 50% more than the wholesale cost. At a special holiday sale, the price of the MP3 was 20% less than the wholesale cost. It's a what special sale of the MP3. Please remember, this is student response question. There are no options here. And questions like this have very high mark. You must be precise and correct in your answer format. Are we there? Okay, so let's look at this. Now we need to know the wholesale cost. So what we are going to do, let x be the wholesale cost, right? So let x be the wholesale what? Cost. The wholesale cost is what our S is going to be. The wholesale cost. So now we are told that he used to sell an MP3 for $72, which is 50% more than the wholesale cost. What I mean is that I'm going to generate an equation that $72 is equals to x, which is the wholesale, plus 50% of x, which is 0.5 of x. You understand that? So this is 72 is equals to 1.5x. Are we there? So if I divide both sides by 5, divide this also by 1.5, this cancel, that cancel, this divided, this will give us what? $48. That's $48. That is equals to S, which is the price of the wholesale. Do you understand that now? Now we are told that at a special holiday sale, the price of the MP3 was 20% less than the wholesale cost. 20% less than the wholesale cost. What is that special cost? If I call that special cost Y, what you are saying is Y is going to be, so let Y be our special. So let me write that. So that is our special. Okay, so our special sales, okay, cost. Do you understand? And we are told that the special sales cost is 20% less than what? The wholesale cost. So I'm saying that Y is equals to, what the wholesale cost is? 48, okay, minus the 20% of 48, so which is what? 0.2 times 48. So this will be, so Y is equals to, so Y is equals to 48 minus, now 0.2 times 48, that will give us 9.6, of course. So the special price is equals to $38.4. right? 38. Let me write this properly so you see that. So this is what 38 point. Alright, so this is our answer to this question. Okay, hope this is clear enough. I can go through this again. We are told that a store used to sell an MP3 for $72. So which is 50% more than the wholesale cost, and we don't know the wholesale cost, so we say the wholesale cost is X. Okay, so now you say 2 is equals to S plus what? 50% of what? Of S, because which is 50% more than the wholesale cost. So 50% of what? That's 50 divided by 100, that's 0.5 S. We add that together, that will give you what? So the wholesale cost is what? Is 48. But on a special day, we are told that the special sale cost is 20% less than what? The wholesale cost. And since the wholesale cost is 48%, it's $48, it means that 0.2, so we have 48 minus 0.2 times 48, that's 20% of 48, that gives us 9.6. We subtract that, that should give us our what? 38.4%. Is that clear? Yes, this is this one is a little bit tricky, but it's simple. It's still percentage. You can walk through it. Any question on this, please drop it at the comment section. Subscribe. You are not doing yourself any good, please hit the subscribe button so that you can have access to free SAT questions like this that will give you the perfect score, that will give you that scholarship that you so desire. Thank you.